Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I just prepared to make a smoothie because it's gonna be a long day and I need something like that. So I'm super excited because I just heard of the designer and I love him. I'm so excited to see all the models, what they're wearing, like other people. So wait a sec, it will be loud. Two straws. Cheers. Yeah, that's super good. So now I'm energized, let's do my makeup. So I usually do my makeup sitting on the floor because everything's so tiny here and I have the best lighting over there. So it looks like this, but it's comfortable for me. First of all, I'll go in with the facial razor because of all the peach fuzz that we have. You can't really see it, but there's always something there. And after that, I go in with my moisturizer because that's kind of the best base you can get for your makeup. Don't get it in your hair. So everything's nice and glowy after the facial razor. Meanwhile, I can do my brows. First of all, I comb them through to see if there are any hairs that I miss. I like to keep my brows more thick, but you have to tweeze like some hair always. So now I like to fill in some gaps that I have, and I try to do it with the brush because it's easier to fill in smaller gaps than just using a pencil. So now I filled in my brows and I have super long brows and there's always some hair that's like too long. So I like to trim them. Now it looks way better because they're not that long anymore. So now I can go in with my brow gel to keep them in place the whole day. And I love to have like fluffy brows to get all the volume in, so it's good to like trim them before and tweeze them so they have the perfect shape. That's it for the brows for now. Sometimes I tap in the gel to my skin so like it really glues my hair to my skin. So now my moisturizer is soaked in, I can go on with my skin. I don't use foundation, I always use concealer. So my skin always looks natural because I prefer that kind of look. Now I'll go in with some bronzer. And there's also like a huge difference when I use my facial razor or not, because like all the cream products, they stick better on your face if you have no hair on it, so it's not that flaky. Skin is ready now, so we can do my lashes. I use this lash curler because it's for my almond shaped eyes and I have the best results when I'm using this because like it grabs every lash. So go in like this. You can see the difference between my both eyes when I get like lashes like that because they're super long, but I need a curler. I always need one. I try not to put mascara on my skin, so this is like really good tool to use. You can see there's a lot of mascara that's not on my lashes, so it's pretty good to use it that way. It looks like this. So now there's nothing on my lid. That's amazing. And to get like more definition and to get rid of clumps and stuff like that, you can just like comb through your lashes when the mascara is still a bit wet to to like separate them. And just like the color, this one is also made for my eye shape, the almond eyes. So now I'll do the other side. Like the other eye, I always do 2 coats. Then I go in with like some lipstick or some like lip balm with a little bit of color, because I don't like the feeling of like too heavy makeup. And that's it for my makeup routine. So now I'm gonna get dressed, so you have to get up. See ya! That's my outfit. Do you like it? I'm going totally green today. I have to pack my bag, so I need some essentials to come with me. Like always, I need file, a glass file for my fingernails, like if something would chip. So I have file with me. So I put this in real quick. And of course some lip balm, some chapstick, and also some tweezers, because you never know when there's like a stray hair. Got that with me as well. And also the facial razor that I don't use always for on the go for my face, but for like a hair on my leg or something like that. I mean, now you don't see my legs here, but you never know, you will need it. So I will take it with me. And some hand sanitizer, because you know. So that's everything I have in that bag right now, and we can go. I'm so excited. Let's go. It was so good seeing backstage and all the hard work. Hope it pays off. Follow me. The show was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the same as I did. I'm so excited for next season. See ya!